ng 20 minutes sa inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. XOXO!
What's up, everyone? My name is Muriel. I'm the CDO, the city of the friendship. Come on, yo, break it down.
Hey. Each of us has our own strengths po. Pero pag magkasama kami, mag-combine kaming apat, we become so much powerful.
I give flavor, I give character to the group. Ako ang representation ng group na ito na for all the people of color, I am here. For all the plus size, I am here. For the mid-size,
And also, we are breaking the norms or the standard of a P-pop or K-pop group na kailangan very, ganito, ganyan. So, parang pinapakita namin na we are here to showcase our talent or inspired by our representations, different tones of voice, texture, na pwedeng mag-isang group like XOXO.
Boy, ako po yung mga gumagawa ng harmonies namin sa mga covers.
Ako naman din, may high parts din po ako. Pero pag ako si Danny, ako sa muna sa kanya.
Maybe siguro Tito Boy, kami lahat naman, kami yung talunan dun sa singing contest na sinilihan namin. But because of GMA Network, binigyan nila kami ng opportunity to be in a girl group. And akala namin na doon na magtatapos yung journey namin as singers. But here we are, 6 years after. Nandito pa rin kami. We're not there yet. We're not super sikat. We're getting there. Pero we're working on it.
Sa inyong apat, sino ang diva?
Danny!
Sino ang sexy?
Kami!
Sino ang pretty?
Kami!
Sino ang palaban?
Kami lahat!
Sino ang marites?
Kami lahat!
Lights on, lights off, go!
Lights off! Red lights!
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness!
Best time for happiness.
Every time!
Complete this. We are XOXO. We are...
We are XOXO, we're ready to go!
Wow!
Tito Boy, sino ang Lando ng buhay mo?
Wow!
Pwede niyo po ba kaming ampunin?
Pwede niyo po ba kami i-manage?
Tito Boy, how to be you.
Gosh, ang
Sobrang
saya!
saya! Parang nagkakwentuhan lang kami ni Tito Boy.
At first, kinabahan kami sobra.
Para kaming
Pero-
naisip pa kami kung ano ba gagawin
Kasi nakikita namin yung mga guests dito, parang ang galing nila mag-English. Sabi namin, "Uy, paano na tayo? Baka wala tayong masagot." Pero nung sinabi sa amin na, dapat fun lang.
Yes.
Okay, noted.
Ganun kasi kami as a person.
Strength namin yun.
Magulo.